Tanya and lovely Paul, and welcome back to this video series. So last week we went through the driving posture of how to correct and lengthen, etc. So today we're going to discuss the chin tuck, which is going to help stretch this part of the neck. It's also, you'll find desk workers, children nowadays, we often see kids walking around with their heads down, so this is going to help this area here. So what happens when you're in this position? These muscles become really short or tight over here. So what we'll do is lengthen that. So you can put your steering wheel down for a moment. Actually, leave it there. If there was a headrest here where Paul's head is, when you sat at traffic lights, all you want to do is think of pulling your chin backwards into the headrest and then releasing again. Because what that does is that stretches all of that behind the neck. So it's not the same as taking your chin down towards the chest. It works different muscles. So think of trying to give yourself a double chin in that position. And the nice thing about the headrest is a bit of resistance, so you have to push gently hard. And then try and keep your head there while you're driving. After a while, when you lose concentration, you'll find that your head just naturally slips back there. But this is the area here, those muscles that we want to strengthen. So you just draw the chin back, and then release. And you can do that when you're stuck at traffic lights or something. Don't do it while you're driving, you'll get really weird looks. So that is chin tuck. So next week we'll introduce you to another video, but you can have a go with those. Again, any questions, just pop us an email at contact@teenfitness.com. Yes, that's right. And we'll see you then. Bye.